Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, January 6, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Congratulations to Ms. Curd for being named our 22-23 Teacher of the Year. Also, Newscast Team 5A, that's our 5th grade A group, please come to the Collab Lab this morning at 9:15. Make sure you bring your laptops. Archery team. Archery practice will resume next Wednesday, January 11th. Late duty today is Ms. Clark. Next week we have Chick, Blankenship, Hamlin, Bolton, and Arch. Today's weather, we have a high of 64. We have a low of 40, which I think was a little bit chillier than that this morning. We'll cool out there. Sunny and a 0% chance of rain. Some important dates. January 16th is Martin Luther King holiday. We have no school. January 17th, we'll issue report cards. January 20th is the 100th day of school. January 27th will be Honor Walk. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. March 7th, Spring Pictures. We have a few birthdays to celebrate. Today we have Kirby Creer and Ethan Foster. Happy birthday today to you. Tomorrow there are none, and on Sunday, Callie Craig and Mason Miller will be celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday! Also, keep sending us your questions. The question of the day bin is still in the library. We are always looking for new questions, so go ahead and send those in. That's all for today's news. Have a happy Friday, Shepherd Scholars.